Hi, I'm Dan Gable with Shore Murphy and Associates of Casey, and this is another episode of Big Agent in a Small Town. If you haven't already done so, please like this video and subscribe to our Shore Murphy and Associates of Casey YouTube channel. If you own an auto repair shop business, a common question is whether your insurance will provide coverage if an employee is in an accident while driving a customer's vehicle. This could be due to things like a test drive to see what's wrong with the customer's vehicle, or possibly delivering a vehicle to a customer, bringing a vehicle back to the shop, something like that. And there are a couple important insurance coverages for that situation. The first is liability coverage. So let's say that the employee involved in the accident causes damage to another person's vehicle besides the customer's, or causes some kind of property damage as well too. And you want to make sure you have what's called non-owned auto liability coverage. And there are a couple different ways you'll see this depending on the insurance company and how they write that liability coverage. With a lot of carriers, that will be included on commercial auto coverage. You want to make sure you have the coverage symbol 1 or coverage symbols 8 and 9 for that non-owned auto liability. Some companies for auto repair businesses will include that non-owned auto liability on a garage liability form. So however the insurance company does it, you just want to make sure you do have that non-owned auto liability coverage for that part of the accident. The other part is obviously your customer's car, and you want that to be able to get repaired as well too, with as little inconvenience to your customer as possible. The damage to your customer's car fall under what's called garage keepers coverage. That's what covers cars of your customers that are in your care, custody, or control. And there are two different coverage options. There's legal liability coverage and direct primary coverage. For legal liability coverage to pay a claim, you have to be legally negligent or legally liable for the company to pay. So let's say that there's an accident, and a falling object or something on the car that wouldn't be deemed technically your fault, or you'd be legally liable for, or your policy might very well not pay for the repair to your customer's car. Or with direct primary coverage, it's going to pay for that damage whether you're legally liable or not. So it's a broader coverage. It's going to help with customer satisfaction, things like that as well too. I highly recommend, if at all possible, you do have that direct primary coverage on your garage keepers. So those are the two coverage considerations for an employee having an accident in a customer's car. If you have any questions about insurance for auto repair shops, please reach out to me by phone or text at 217-932-2267, or email to Dan, D-A-N, at Shore Murphy Casey, SHOREMURPHYCASEY.com. Thank you.